Hello, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix the unresponsive switches on your LOGITECH G502 X Plus. Okay, so basically this fix is called the fridge fix. If the clicks becomes stiff or unresponsive due to thermal expansion in the optical gate, we can place our mouse in a sealed bag and we can put it in the freezer for 3 minutes because the cold contracts the internal parts of our mouse, restoring the functions. So put your mouse in a sealed bag, then put it in the freezer for around 3 minutes, then you can take it out, wait a little bit, and then you can plug your mouse and everything should start working properly. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.